doing some deep cleaning here in our spare bedroom. And under the bed, which I just moved out from away from the wall, our cats have thrown up a hairball or two under here and did not know because they had done it in between a couple of things. So what we're doing right now, we've got our RYOBI Super Scrubber, and we just sprayed some Myers cleaner on there. We're going to do it one-handed. I don't have to bend over. And just going to take the scrubber to the spots that need work. And no needing to bend over, no needing to push extra hard. Just getting these spots up real quick. And then once these spots are clean, I'll just go back over it with a towel and we'll see how it looks. I ended up adding a little bit of water so we could thin out that soap, and ended up doing a large portion of this area. Most of this didn't even need it, but it was just scrubbing so good I got into all the grouts on the tiles. Now let's dry this up. All right, so there you have it. All dry, all clean, came out fantastic. As you can see, these tiles, they do get character, so they're just gonna look like that regardless. But it looks great now. I'll go grab my robot vacuum and let it clean all the rest of the house.